Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to block any phone number on your iPhones in 2021. Now, this is very easy to do just using the phone application on your iPhones. Now, if you guys just go over to the phone application on your iPhones, just go ahead and click on that. And then you want to click on the Recents tab at the very bottom here, unless you want to block one of your contacts or something like that. Or if you just know a number off by heart you want to block, you can do that as well. So you just want to make sure that you have it typed in here. Recents is the easiest way to do it. So if they're on your recent list, you can just go find the number that you want to block, just like I have right here. You want to click on the little I beside that number. You're going to be brought here where it shows all the details with that number. So how many times they've called you, you could share them, etc. And then you see at the very bottom here, it says block this caller. So you just want to go ahead and click on block this caller. And then it will tell you here that you will not receive phone calls, messages, or FaceTime from people on your block list. So if you want to confirm that you want to block this person, you can go ahead and click on block contact at the bottom. And then there you can then see at the very bottom here, it says unblock this caller, which means that they have been blocked and you guys will not receive any notifications from them whatsoever. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to block numbers on your iPhones in 2021. If this video does help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.